Hey, welcome back to Out the Smoke. I'm Malcolm. Got Mark here with me as usual. Mark, what are we going to do today on this pellet grill, man?
We're going to show you that you can sear a steak on a pellet grill, get them good grill marks, and turn out a fabulous steak on something that most people think you can't.
That's right. So they don't call these pellet grills for nothing. You can cook hot and fast on them. We're going to push this grill up to its limits today. It'll go to 500 degrees, and we've got a little trick to help us get those steaks cooked perfectly by using a set of grill grates on it. Now that's an aftermarket product made by our friends over at Grill Grate. They make grill grates for any grill, so you can get one for your pellet grill no matter what the brand is, and it'll change your steak cooking game.
It definitely makes a huge difference on a pellet grill because you're not really cooking over direct heat, just a lot of radiating heating, and it just heats them grates up. We might see 600 degrees on the grate today.
We're gonna put the temp on them, see how hot we can get those grill grates. We got a steak seasoned up. We're gonna be throwing it on here because we're gonna eat some lunch today. Mark, you ready?
Let's get to cooking.
So Mark, we got the pellet grill up to temp. We set it at 500 degrees. It took about 30 minutes for it to get up there. Then we shot the infrared on the grate. And I'm seeing 580, 590, 600 on one end.
Plenty of hot to sear steak.
That's exactly what you want. When I'm cooking steaks, I want to be north of 550. So this is what's gonna give us those good marks, and we wouldn't get that with the regular grate.
Right.
With these grill grates, little duck fat spray sprayed on them to grease them up good, we're ready to go to cooking.
And I think something too, what people don't realize is those grill grates aren't fully open like a standard grate. So they hold a bunch of heat below them, and that's what's making them absorb all that heat because they're closer to the fire. So that's the reason you see the temperature reading 500, but really the surface temp's over 600.
And that's where we're cooking, right there on that grilling surface.
It's gonna be a good steak.
So Mark, let's get this steak on these grates, man.
Grates are 600 degrees, it's time to cook. This is gonna be your standard steak cook. We're gonna do 2 minutes, give it a twist, 2 more minutes, and then it's time to flip. And you can see at that 4-minute mark, we got good grill marks. We'll do the same process on the bottom side, give it 2 minutes, twist it. We're shooting for about 120, 125 for that perfect medium rare. Hey, that's my favorite way to eat one.
And we've got all the searing happening on top of those grill grates. It's putting that beautiful steakhouse score marks on them. That's caramelizing that meat on the outside, causing that Maillard reaction to happen. That's really what's making those steaks taste so good. Any kind of meat that you cook on there that you want to sear, you can do it on one of these pellet smokers. Just crank that temp up. We cooked some veggies on here today. You can do pizza on it. You can do all kinds of things at hot and fast temperatures on your pellet grill.
That's right. So Malcolm, check this flat iron out. It's got some good grill marks, good color. It looks like something I'd want to eat. Of course, some vegetables got good marks on it. That's a meal in itself.
It's lunchtime here at Out the Smoke. I don't know about you, but I got half that steak at least. I'm gonna even eat some of those vegetables today, Mark. Doctor's gonna be happy.
Be some good eating.
It's gonna be some good eating. Hey, we appreciate y'all hanging out with us here at Out the Smoke. If you like what we're doing, follow us on our other channels. We're on Facebook, we're on Instagram. Mark, they can find you and your recipes where?
Swine Life BBQ on YouTube, Facebook, Instagram, and now TikTok.
Hey, and I'm always over at HowtoBBQRight on all the channels. We appreciate y'all checking everything out. We'll see y'all next time.
Let's eat.